3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Hi, I'm Stacy Allen, Director of K-6 Teaching and Learning. We've been working hard this summer to get ready for the new school year, and we can't wait to see you all on the first day of school, Tuesday, August 20th. Before the first day, let me share some important back-to-school information for our elementary and middle school students. Open house is the afternoon of Thursday, August 15th. This year, teachers will email each student's guardian to let them know of their class assignment. This email will also include a link to sign up for a time at open house, to meet your teacher in small groups, and visit your classroom. Teachers will send emails on Monday, August 12th. If you have not received an email by the end of the day on Monday, please contact your child's school. We appreciate your patience because we know how excited everyone is to find out who their teacher is and to schedule that open house appointment. If you need to change your email address, feel free to call our front desk at 501-843-3363, and our student services will be happy to help you. As for school supplies, there is a one-time $25 supply fee. A class shirt is also available for a $10 purchase. But please don't stress, purchasing a class shirt is completely optional. The supply fee and optional class shirt can be purchased online at our district website, or you are welcome to pay by cash or check at open house. The only items your student will need to bring to school are a backpack, a lunchbox if they plan on bringing their lunch, and a water bottle. It is very helpful for students to arrive at school with a pre-filled water bottle, but if they don't, it's okay. Remember, the first day of school is Tuesday, August 20th. We are so excited for the new school year, and we can't wait to see you.
3, 2, 1.